Thank you, Chairman of this session, for the opportunity. Before I begin, I'd like to extend my warm greetings to Honorable Chairman, distinguished chief guest, special guest, guest of honor, national board, national officials, fellow Apexian, and ladies and gentlemen, with Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. It's my great honor and privilege to introduce our special guest at this absolutely wonderful, beautiful, and auspicious program of 64th Founding University of Apex Bangladesh, which brings together so many special and cherished individuals. I now present a brief biography of our special guest, Mr. Dulal Krishna Saha, Secretary Retired. Mr. Dulal Chandra Saha was born in 1963 into an aristocratic Hindu family in Kamargaon village, Baigakul Union, Munshiganj district. He completed his SSC and HSC from Science Group under the Kumilla board. He earned a Bachelor in Arts from University of Chittagong and MSc in Political Science from the University of Dhaka, and he also completed his LLB. Career. Mr. Saha is an officer of the 9th BCS Administration Cadre. He began his career in January 1991 as an Assistant Commissioner at Rangpur Collectorate. Throughout his career, he has received numerous short and long-term training programs from various institutions, including overseas training in Japan, Italy, and the USA. He has served the government in various important capacities with utmost sincerity and dedication. Notable positions he has held include Chairman, Board of Directors, Sadharan Bima Corporation, Executive Chairman, National Skill Development Authority, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Public Administration. He also served in multiple other roles such as Law Officer and Secretary, Dhaka North City Corporation, Director, Raju, Deputy Director, Export Promotion Bureau, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Upazila Nirbahi Officer, Charge Officer, Magistrate, PDB, Magistrate First Class, Senior Assistant Commissioner and Commissioner in various districts and upazilas. In personal life, Mr. Saha is married to Ms. Nilima Rani Saha, and they are blessed with 3 children. So, sir, your gracious presence has truly made our program vibrant, memorable. Let us please welcome our distinguished special guest with a big round of applause.